UMLA ke UDP balak menrumbui ulara hayeng dorbar halor ka Jingeh baki Nongrep Kwai ki kendu kamtam habaya dei bak Hiar dor uni umarep haba jubab halor kani ke menteri ketenat kamrep kong amprin lengdo kalayat hu bak sorkar kala shimbun ki sen jam ban yarap baki Nongrep nalor ki skim balamang nakabenta jongki.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we have seen in the reply at A that the area of cultivation of arecanut is increasing from 18,231 hectare, now it reached 34,410 hectare. And the production is also subsequently increased and economy it brings to the state also increased. From this it reflects that the people of the state, they are going into arecanut cultivation in a big way. So, but the price of arecanut is coming down year by year, sir. So what I request, with all these things which the government is incentivize the farmer, that the marketing facilities, not only in the state, promote the arecanut produce in the state, whether the government have any plan to help the farmer market the arecanut not only in the state, outside the state, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, it is correct that there seems to be indicators that there has been a surge or an increase in the production of arecanut in the state of Meghalaya. However, this data, sir, may be viewed from a perspective that in all likelihood, sir, in the earlier years, there have been weak application of data collection. So we see now that after the Department of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has increased its research facilities, we are now able to give a better data information about the growing of arecanut in and around the state of Meghalaya. Number two, sir, it is a fact that arecanut growing is very productive and progressive for farmers in the state of Meghalaya. And in order to ensure that the department utilizes all this data effectively, we have placed certain interventions to further assist farmers in growing of arecanut, marketing of arecanut plantation, sir. Honorable member is correct, sir. Government now is trying to ensure that it assists farmers growing arecanut in various ways. One, sir, is the institutioning of farmer cooperatives so that farms or farmers engaged in arecanut growing collectively connect together and have common facilities in various parts of the state, sir. We now have about 46 such farmer cooperatives, and these cooperatives, sir, are being assisted in several ways. We give them various opportunities for the stocking of arecanut because the shelf life of arecanut is also very short. So we have also assisted farmers in creation of hubs where we have provided these cooperatives with sheds where they can store, stock, dry and peel these arecanuts. So we are also looking at those incentives. We also provide cooperative societies with one-time financial incentives. Some of them have zero interest. Some of them obviously have to be repaid back in form of soft loans. We are also trying to ensure that farmers understand the value of marketing and timely interventions like fairs for farmers, exposure trips for farmers. We are also assisting farmers in ensuring that we provide machineries for them, we provide pits for them, because farmers growing areca nut differ in terms of utility of use of these produce. In the Khasi region, they prefer to give them soak pits where they can then domestically within the country market the areca nut. And yes, sir, what the honorable member has suggested is very important. Department is investing substantial amounts to help farmers. There are huge numbers of interventions. We have working capitals. Say, for example, we have about 36 crores that we provide to these farmers in various interventions, from warehouse facilities to collective market center. I also feel that it is important for us at this point of time to inform the honorable member and other members who may have heard farmers coming from various parts of the state that we are also assisting farmers with the necessary intervention of the required chemical like Bodox to help them to combat this dreaded disease of bud rot. And sir, we are not just working alone. We are also collaborating with all the agricultural experts, both from the central government, the state government, and I want to assure the honorable member that the question that he has raised is very important and pertinent. And yes, we are going to leave no stone unturned to ensure that areca nut becomes a prime produce of the state of Meghalaya.